Whirlpool Wine Cooler Repair authorized service in Los Angeles is a premier appliance repair service company, employing only factory-trained Whirlpool wine cooler repair technicians. We repair Whirlpool wine coolers and service Whirlpool wine coolers, as well as Whirlpool freezers, Whirlpool refrigerators, Whirlpool ice makers, Whirlpool ice machines, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Orange County, San Fernando Valley, Malibu, Oxnard, Sherman Oaks, Brentwood, West Los Angeles, Pasadena, and Burbank. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.